Hello friend, welcome to my channel GATE and ESE aspirants. In this lecture series, we will cover the GATE and ESE syllabus starting from fluid mechanics. It is a quick revision course, not a comprehensive course. In this fluid mechanics course, we will talk about fluid properties, fluid statics. In static, we will talk about pressure measurement, hydrostatic forces, buoyancy and flotation. Then fluid kinematics, fluid dynamics, dimensional analysis, laminar flow, flow through pipe, liquids in relative equilibrium, boundary layer phenomena, liquid container subjected to acceleration, and turbulent flow. Let us start with the definition of fluid mechanics. It is a study of fluids either in motion or rest. When it is in motion, it is called fluid dynamics. When it is in rest, it is called fluid statics. Now think about the fluid and mechanics separately. A fluid is a substance that is having ability to flow or deform under the action of shear force, no matter how much small the shear force is. The mechanics. Mechanics is the study of application of load and its effect on machine, fluid structure, etc. Mechanics can be broadly classified in three categories. First one, engineering mechanics, strength of material, and third one is fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics further classified in statics and dynamics. Differentiate between solid and fluid deformation. First one, in case of solid, the deformation is constant with respect to time, whereas in case of fluid, the deformation is continuously varying with respect to time. And hence in case of fluid, rate of deformation is more important than deformation is solid. Second, in case of solid, on removal of load, the solid will try to regain their original position, whereas on fluid, after removal of load, they never try to regain their original position. But some of the fluid like viscoelastic fluid will partially try to regain their shape, example like jelly. Third one, in case of solid, all type of deformation is possible, like linear, volumetric, angular, bending, torsion, etc. Whereas in case of fluid, only angular deformation is possible. Fourth, in case of solid, all type of load are possible, like compression, tension, shear, bending, etc. Whereas in case of fluid, only shear load is possible. Fluid as a continuum. Fluid are aggregation of molecules widely spaced for a gas and closely spaced for liquids. Distance between the molecules is very large compared to the molecular diameter. The number of molecules involved is immense and the separation between them is normally negligible. Under this condition, fluid can be treated as continuum and the properties at any point can be treated as bulk behavior of the fluids. That's all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will talk about the fluid properties. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Please do comment, like, subscribe.